The worksheet from yesterday, guys, can you make sure your name's on it and turn it in?
I didn't know it happened. I thought it was like in class.
Okay, well, I said it homework, it said it on the sheet, it said it on the board, it said it on the flip chart. Okay, so I would like to take it whether you did it or not, just so that I have it recorded.
Hello, BCC. At this time, all students should be in class and personal mobile devices should be away. Students should not be at the classroom in the first 10 or last 10 minutes of class, and should they be leaving class, they need a hall pass. Thank you.
So guys, the directions of doing the exit card, I said it at least 10 times of, when you turn in your exit card, pick up the worksheet, which was homework. And you get one? Hang on, oh, you get one of it? Where's it at? Karen, you weren't here yesterday? That got it, right? Any other of these worksheets? And you guys are gonna need your Chromebook today, not necessarily right this second, but do you want it, Leo? It is. All right. Punch the wall.
Once.
Okay. Good times. Okay. Let's put the way through this. I will be here today at lunch to help people with quiz corrections and to do any reteaching that you might need so that you will be more successful on the related test on this that will count as your reassessment. And those of you who did not take a test with that quiz with me, you will have to take the quiz also Friday at lunch. So if you did not take, if you switched into this class late, so I don't think you took a quiz in here yet, or did you? You did, okay. You did not, right? So if you switched in late, you did not, or you took it, yeah, okay. And took it too? So if you came in late, I'd like you guys to take it on Friday at lunch, your version of it. All right. You guys do these 4 questions, which is just evaluating the functions at certain places. Like, write it down. I don't believe this is in there, so, yeah. just doing the math. Cavoni, how do I do f of negative one? You can't see it? Okay. Grady?
1 f of negative 1 equals 1 over x minus 1, so replace x with negative 1.
And what is that? 80, what does that become? 1 over negative 1 minus 1?
Negative 1 over 2.
Negative 1 over 2. And you guys? Please know that these are all the same number. You will never see the negative still down in the denominator. They're gonna move it up, so a multiple choice. It will either be with up top or out front. I hate the out front, the negative sign and the fraction bar kind of blends to me. That's gonna be negative a half. Eric, how do I find g of 13? Here's g. How do I do g of 13? It's not in the packet. Just what do we do? Okay, so g of x is 2 times x plus 1.
It's not in front.
So what's g of 13? Two times 13. We're taking, we get rid of x, and we put in the thing that I asked about. So instead of 2 times x, it's 2 times 13. That's 26 plus 1, which is 27. Okay, the whole thing's gone. So Cavoni, can you see this now? We found f of negative 1. What did Grady come up with when we did f of negative 1 up here?
I say -1.
Negative 1 over 2. So instead of f of negative 1, I'm now going to do g of negative 1 over 2. So Matt, now g of negative a half.
2 negative 1 over 2.
2 times negative 1 over 2
Yeah, parentheses, and then plus 1.
plus 1. So Eric, does this make sense? G of x was 2 times x plus 1. So g of stuff is 2 times stuff plus 1. G of negative a half is 2 times negative a half plus 1. Sam, what is 2 times negative a half?
What's -2 over 2?
Negative 2 over 2 reduces to be what?
-1.
Negative 1. Matt, what's your question?
What did we do with this piece?
I collected it.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Nor, how do I do f of g of 8? What's the first step?
You broke 1 over, and then next one's 1. It'll be, oh wait.
I gotta figure out that inside bit first. What's g of 8?
It's gonna be 2 times 8. Or you have to between brackets, and then plus 1.
So that's 17. So 8R, what do I do now?
You plug in 17. 1 over 17 minus 1.
Which is 1 over 16. Yeah? So some of you are still very uncomfortable with plugging in, like, understanding functions. Like, I don't know. If you get $2 an hour plus $1 for just showing up, and you're there for 10 hours, it's 2 times 10 plus 1. Like, the x's can be replaced with numbers for other functions, and, yeah. those things. On the exit card yesterday, order of operations, what do I do first? The exponent? Okay. So some people saw this as 2 minus 3 and then squared. That's different. So PEMDAS, parentheses, okay, there's nothing to do in the parentheses, but then exponents, the exponent first, -3 times -3 is 9. And then 2 times 9 is 18. So, and some people did 2 times 3 and got -6, and did -6 squared and got -36, which negative times negative is positive. So we're having some issues with the mechanics of math. So we got a lot of work to do, people. Okay. Can you take out your Chromebooks? Because we are going to do an activity on Desmos Classroom. And there's a link to the activity to join on Canvas, or you can go to that link. I do need to approve you once you get in, so there's a little bit of overhead, but I will do that now. If I can find it again. Jesus, love of God. Where are you? Yeah.
Is it this?
Yes, the
But I
days.
said on previous, so
Oh, because you were, oh, that's fine.
it's the same thing.
Well, join period 3, because that's the one you're in, so don't click that.
Is this the day?
Okay, and homework tonight is on Desmos, or sorry, Delta Math, so sorry. So 10 of you are approved already. So when you're approved, get started on the activity. Do you need to be near a plug? Do you need to be near an outlet? Okay. Yeah.
Was there a Delta Math?
No, there is one tonight, though. And when you're done this activity, start the Delta Math.
They don't know, like 5 minutes ago was due today morning. But if you Google like that, that's just
This Delta Math that I'm talking about didn't exist yesterday because I only created it a little bit ago. Okay. Anyone having trouble getting to the join codes? Yeah, you're not.
It's not loading.
Try going through Canvas to click it that way, see if that works. So Sasha, that worked?
Yeah.
Cavonia, are you able to get in? You're supposed to be doing the Desmos class activity. I don't see that you're registered for the class yet.